Hey, did you know your pancreas could be silently calling out for help right now? It's true, most of us never think about this little organ, but it's doing something amazing every second, balancing your blood sugar and helping you break down every meal. The truth is, if you want energy, vitality, and a healthy life, your pancreas needs some love, urgently. I'm here to show you the simple, natural steps to heal and protect your pancreas, starting today. This isn't about complicated diets or pills. It's about listening to your body and honoring it with simple, green, nature-driven habits. Let's start with what you put on your plate. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are like a gentle hug for your pancreas. They're packed with chlorophyll, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that help reduce inflammation and support your body's healing. When I started adding more greens to my meals, I felt the difference. My energy went up, and my cravings for sugar went down. Here's a quick tip: swap out processed snacks for a fresh green smoothie. Blend spinach, cucumber, a splash of lemon, and some ginger. Not only does it taste refreshing, but it gives your pancreas a break from processing heavy, sugary foods. But it's not only about food. Stress can weigh heavy on your pancreas too. I know life gets busy, but just a few minutes of mindful breathing or a walk among trees can trigger your body's natural healing systems. Nature has a powerful way of restoring balance. Don't underestimate the healing energy of sunlight, fresh air, and a peaceful mind. And remember, hydration is key. Your pancreas thrives when your body is flushed with pure, clean water. Try starting your morning with a glass of warm water and a squeeze of lemon. It gently wakes up your digestive system and gets your metabolism going. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this: your pancreas is your hidden hero. When you nurture it with greens, nature, and kindness, you're setting yourself up for a life full of energy and wellness. So will you try these nature-driven steps? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're caring for your pancreas and what changes you're making. Your story matters, not just to me, but to everyone who's ready to live healthier, happier lives. Take care of your pancreas, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching.